Are you struggling with algae in your aquarium? Today, we're diving into a natural and effective solution to keep your tank crystal clear. Welcome to DBC Aquatics, where we explore the best in fish and aquarium care. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more aquarium insights. Now, let's get into setting up an efficient Amano shrimp tank to control algae, DIY style. First off, why Amano shrimp? These little cleaners are renowned for their appetite for various types of algae. Not only do they help maintain the cleanliness of your tank, but they're also fascinating creatures to watch. Setting up your Amano shrimp tank is straightforward. Here's what you'll need to get started. Tank selection. Choose a tank that's at least 10 gallons to provide ample space for the shrimp to roam and clean. Water conditions. Keep the water temperature between 70 to 78 degrees Fahrenheit and a pH level from 6.5 to 7.5, ideal for Amano shrimp health. Substrate and plants. Opt for a dark substrate to mimic their natural habitat and add live plants. The shrimp will use these plants as cover and for foraging. Filtration. Ensure you have a gentle filter system to keep the water clean without creating strong currents that stress the shrimp. Now, when adding your Amano shrimp to the tank, acclimation is key. Slowly adjust them to the tank's water conditions by using the drip method for about an hour. Feeding your Amano shrimp is pretty simple. While they're exceptional algae eaters, supplement their diet with blanched vegetables or commercial shrimp food once in a while to ensure they receive all necessary nutrients. With proper setup and care, your Amano shrimp will not only keep the algae in check, but will also add a new dynamic to your aquarium's ecosystem. Setting up an Amano shrimp tank is a fun and effective way to control algae and enhance your aquarium's health. For more tips and tricks on aquarium maintenance and fish keeping, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below and let's keep our aquariums thriving together. Until next time, keep those tanks clean and your fish happy.